Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix upload error on Canva. If you have this problem on your Canva app, then you should watch this video and follow the step that I am going to show you guys. So let's start. Now make sure that the app you are using is the updated version, because if not, it might be the reason why. So let's go and check it out on the Play Store or App Store to your iPhone, if you are using iPhone. Just search Canva on the search bar, then select the Canva app. So now we can see that the app that I am using is updated version because it has the open button, not the updated button. Because if you are not using the updated app version, it will appear as update button. So once done updating, it should be working properly now. But if not, you might need to go to the settings. Look for the app options and scroll down until you see the Canva app. Once you see the Canva app, then open it. And what you need to do is to allow all the permissions that apps needed. Aside from that, go to the storage section. Look for cache. Once located, clear the cache. So that's how easy you can fix the upload error on Canva app. So if you think this video is helpful to you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos.